Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Yalla English with Muna. If you are a complete beginner and you want to learn English from zero, this video is perfect for you. Today, we will learn English step by step. Simple greetings, self-introduction, daily sentences, vocabulary, pronunciation, and a long practice conversation. Sit comfortably, relax, and repeat after me. Let's start. Part 1. Basic greetings. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Now in sentences. Hello, how are you? Good morning, how are you today? Hi, nice to meet you. Good evening, everyone. Part 2. Introducing yourself. Repeat after me. My name is Muna. I am from Jordan. I live in the UK. I speak Arabic and a little English. I am learning English now. Example introduction. Hello, my name is Muna. I am from Jordan. I live in the UK with my family. I speak Arabic and a little English. I am learning English because I want to improve my life. Nice to meet you. Pause the video and practice your own version. Part 3. Important questions for daily life. Repeat after me. What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Do you work or study? Do you have children? Do you speak English? Now the answers. My name is I am from Syria, Jordan, Palestine, Tunisia, Libya. I live in London, Birmingham, Manchester. I work, I study, I am a housewife. Yes, I speak a little English. Part 4. Daily English sentences. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am tired. I am sad. I am stressed. I am busy today. I need help, please. Can you repeat, please? Can you speak slowly? I don't understand. Can you explain this? How much is this? I would like this one, please. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? Where is the bus stop? This is my husband. These are my children. I have 2 boys and 1 girl. Part 5. Essential vocabulary. Repeat after me. Mother, father, sister, brother, son, daughter, children, house, kitchen, room, bathroom, door, window, bed, chair, phone, bag, keys, money, water, food, clothes, school, shop, bus, hospital, park. Now in sentences. This is my house. I need water. My phone is in my bag. The shop is near my home. My children are at school. Part 6. Pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. Water, better. Teacher, family, children. Morning, evening, house, school, phone. Say it slowly and clearly. Water, not water. Part 7. Long practice conversation. Repeat after each line. A. Hello, good morning. B. Good morning. How are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? B. My name is Muna. What is your name? A. My name is Adam. Nice to meet you, Muna. B. Nice to meet you too, Adam. A. Where are you from? B. I am from Jordan. And you? A. I am from Syria, but I live in the UK now. B. I live in the UK too. I live in London. A. Do you work or study? B. I study English. And you? A. I work. I am a driver. B. Nice. I am learning English because I want a better job. A. That's great. Good luck. B. Thank you. Have a nice day. A. You too. Goodbye. B. Goodbye. Great job. Today you learned greetings, self-introduction, daily sentences, vocabulary, pronunciation, and a full English conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching Yalla English with Muna. See you in the next lesson.